Here we go.
Today's video is making SpongeBob. The first step is you will need a yellow sponge turned like this, and then you will need a piece of paper. Here. No, where's the piece of And then you will need a piece of paper. And then, wait, Daddy, pause the video. One scissors and markers. And then you will take the scissors and your piece of paper. You will get your markers. And then you can pick whatever color you want. I like green, so I'm going to pick green. And then I will draw SpongeBob's leg. Just like
How far
this.
is that, please?
Just a moment, we're filming. Just moving in for a close-up
And
right
then
now.
I will draw another SpongeBob leg. And then I will put the cap back on and put it back in the box. And then I will cut those out.
Question, how long is this video?
I don't know.
Because we're running out of tape. Running out
And
of.
then I will cut this.
I'm gonna pause it so you can fast forward to where it's.
So I got this sponge and I already put the leg on. You see? It keeps falling off. I should put two. Now I'm just gonna put it back on. And then put it back on like this. Put two on this time so it will stay. And do another one. I love green so much. Spin them in, spin them in. I need to spin that lovely then one. And then I put this one here and this one. And then I go and get the other leg. Put it just like this. Now let's get another green one. That's why. And then get this other green one right here. And then put it back on. It's like this. And then let's get another green one. Here. And then get the marker. And use gray. And then make the eyes. And then I'm going to put his nose now. No, that does not work.
That's okay. That's his nose.
Yeah, but that's not work. Okay, and then I will.
I think that's it, right?
No.
Oh, sorry.
And then I will get this piece of paper and draw the arms now. Like to make it.
Oh, is this another cutout? So I'm gonna push stop so you can cut them out, right?
Yeah.
Start.
So here's it fully built. Here's the front of it, and here's the back. And bye-bye, kids. Thank you for watching.
Say subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe, please.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.